4-time Soccer World Cup winner Megan Rapinoe and 11-time WNBA All-Star Sue Bird are getting hitched. The sports power couple announced their engagement with a photo posted to Bird's Instagram account on Friday, and a representative for Rapinoe confirmed the news to Reuters, as congratulations for the couple poured in across social media. 4-time Olympic gold medalist Bird, 40, won her 4th WNBA title with the Storm earlier this month, bouncing back after missing all of the 2019 season due to a knee injury. Rapinoe, who claimed the Ballon d'Or in 2019 after a career-defining year in which she won her 2nd World Cup title, along with the Golden Boot and Golden Ball, was a regular fixture on the sidelines during the 2020 WNBA season, which took place entirely inside a quarantine setting in Bradenton, Florida, due to the new coronavirus. The pair, who have been an item for more than 3 years, became the first openly gay couple to appear in the ESPN Body issue in 2018, and have together been vocal advocates for a variety of political and social causes. The announcement prompted well wishes from numerous high-profile figures in sport and politics. "Love will always win," tweeted former U.S. Vice President Joe Biden, the Democratic presidential nominee. "Congratulations," at S10 Bird and at M. Pinot.